Hi, my name is Sebastian. I've now been with Freiheit for 3 years. Before I came to Freiheit, I studied physics. I specialized in astroparticle physics, did a bit of theory, a bit of experimental physics, and a bit of computer science. I chose Freiheit because I wanted to learn on how to do actual software engineering, because in academia, basically just learn how to code and maybe software, but certainly not the engineering part as a physicist. And it's been quite a journey. I became a team lead after 10 months. I've been now team leading for 2 years, and I did that in the project that I actually joined in the beginning, which is for one of the largest dental device manufacturers in the world. So I think there's different dimensions to why I had the journey I had and the intensity and opportunities. But to me, I would say the most important one for me is the people around me. The people at Freiheit and the people I've working with are not only all brilliant and smart, but they're also dedicated and are looking out for each other. This combination actually just propels you through stuff, because not only are you given opportunities, but you're also not left alone with them. I think we're always on the lookout for people who take over responsibility, and I think I did that quite quickly. In my first 6 months, I already started mentoring, and growing from that, I then aligned in the project a small rework. And from this then basically, I guess people were aware, oh, this guy is up to taking responsibility and can maybe also withstand the pressure. Because coming into the team, it was very obvious that in some aspects, the team and what the team is doing was not up to speed where the project is actually developing to. I knew which topics I had to tackle in order to make stuff happen and to shape the project and my team into what I wanted it to be. But there was no path laid out for me that I could follow. So not something just to work off. So I had to create that. I facilitated actually my team heavily for that. So I was working together very closely with my team members, and I was approaching them regularly, individually, and discussing with them, hey, what is your biggest pain point? What can we change for you? I actually identified these areas and then one after another work them off. I mean, in the beginning, obviously, it's also pressure from the outside because you wanted to make a success. But these things always take over quite soon, that you want to make it awesome. And it's your thing, it's your baby. You want to take care of it and you wanted to realize the potential that you see in it. So that is basically then in the end where the pressure is coming from, because probably 98% is already there, but you want to do this very special thing because you know that it's going to be awesome. And then you go like, no, I have to do this now. And if it takes me the night, I want to do this now. I want to make it happen. Never ever in this 3 years, I had one moment of time where I had to force myself into something dull that I didn't want to do. It was always learning while doing something, while making experiences, while actually also understanding on how I want to work and making stuff happen. Now looking back, I would say it was really interesting to see the project grow, actually, to go through the different stages that we're in and having a client that is very big and that has very ambitious goals, and seeing how this develops from just a dream to then an actual working project where we also onboard on the client side more and more people, and then this ever growing. I would say that Freiheit actually changed me completely as a person. I feel, looking back, I do not really recognize the person that I was 3 years ago, which is kind of crazy to realize actually. But this feeling of confidence that I will figure things out, and they might be hard, but I will be able to push through it, is really something that enables me every day.